Okay, here we are again. Toilet dwelling. It sounds bad, doesn't it? Right, so we've got to cut that. We've got to cut this. And the whole problem is we're dealing with imperial old stuff. So we've had to bite the bullet and buy some new systems. So these are metric. And to do this, we've got to alter the feed on this. Of course, on the old ones was this side. Okay. The fittings for this are so old we can't even get them anymore. These don't even fit. So we've had to buy. We can buy a whole system for £39 from Screwfix, which comes with. It doesn't come with a flexi hose. It comes with the complete unit, the flush system, but it's on the opposite side. So we've got a left-hand flush. I don't think they do a right-hand flush. I'll find out. I've ordered 4 systems today. We've got to cut the pipe down to fit. So this pipe here goes to the toilets, which I'll show you now. So I've got a rough idea where it is, and I've marked it. So I'm going to mark where the toilet's going to fit. I've got to cut this pipe down so it fits in there properly because it's too long, but it's a much better fit as well. So I'll just film it as we go along. Okay, so what I'm going to do is going to cut this pipe down, pressure coupling this one onto it with the new pressure coupling, and then that will give me a longer distance then, and then we're going to fit the flexi hose from this copper pipe, this one, up into the system. But first of all, I've got to measure this up, and then I've got 2 holes marked to fit the new system. I can't show this and hold the camera, but you'll see as I go along. This is what I'm fitting to hold the system, and this is a plasterboard. Screw, I need a bit of screwdriver for that. So that's a plasterboard screw, put another one there. Okay, so 2 raw plug screws in the back, put the adapters in. This fits beautifully. So there we go. So now we've got to figure out this. So I think if I take off, probably, we're looking at the gap at the back here. So if I take off on this pipe here that goes into the toilet, which is quite easy to do, you can see that there, I'm going to take off 1.5 inches. Then what will happen then, I will also cut the pipe down, put an extra piece of pipe on there, and that'll join into that. Shouldn't it? Hi John. Okay, so we cut it down, we cut off that much. It's about 1.5 inches, wasn't it? And this fits on that way round, so that this seals fits on the end. What can I do? Look at that, John. One-handed. And there you go. Let's try it. Okay, so the measurement for the pipe is spot on. So I took about 1.5 inches off. But the trouble is now, it's settled down properly. I've got to take this and drop this down by about 1 inch. So I've got to undo these and reseat them about there. That's to be expected. What I should have done was put them at the highest, and then that would give me at least 3/4 inch to drop. So my mistake there. There we go. Okay, system fitted nicely underneath. Tight fit into the toilet. Perfect. Now we're going to do is cut the copper pipe and put a pressure coupling on there and connect it to the other one. Okay, so I'll cut it off there. Put the pressure coupling on that one, and then put it straight onto the flexi hose. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so put the olive on, put the nut on first, then the olive afterwards. Then this will fit on, and we'll tighten them up just like that. I'll get some spanners. So that's how simple it is. Spanner on the middle bit, spanner on the outside. Just to done the other one. Tighten them up. No, I've done that one. Yeah, I did that before. And now we'll fit the pressure coupling. This pressure coupling to the flexi hose. Okay, so when you tighten them, you don't want to over tighten them because you can crush the olive. Let's see, so we've got that there, that's nice, good fit. Just got to tighten that up there a bit. That's him. Do any crease in the pipe, and we'll give it a test in a second. There we go, just tighten that up.
Oh, I'm excited.
You're excited?
Oh, laugh.
Turn it on. You're supposed to turn it on gently, you nutter. Anyway, we've got no leaks. This is a good sign. Okay. Let's just hope it stops because we've got no overflow pipes on these. Look. Okay, so it's a 6 litre tank as well. Oh, my mistake. We have got overflow. This is the overflow. These don't worry. So this should stop. Hopefully, when it gets to that float chamber, it should lift and stop before it even reaches the overflow. If it's all been set up correctly. Okay, it should be coming somewhere near now. Boom! Look at that, John.
What?
Beautiful. Little float lifted, stopped it all. That should be a good flush as well, shouldn't it?
You want to try it?
Yeah, then gotta put you.
Where's the old one?
It's on fixed to the board, remember?
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. Anyway, so we'll give it a quick flush and then we'll call it the end of the video. So 2 seconds. Also, absolute must, if you can, fit a stop valve on your main pipes. So we put the main board back on. 2 seconds. That's it. Looking pretty good. Let's see what she flushes like. Woohoo! Yeah, that was a half flush as well, so it's filling back up. We got no leaks, Johnny. Goody. Let's just pause. The new button next. We've got another one
Because
sticking.
if this sticking in the overflows, that's what's flooding.
Alright, okay, I'll have a look at that now then. Boo, look at that.
It might be worth.
Yeah. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. We've got no leaks. So a little bit of a fiddly one when we've had to change from imperial to metric. But apart from that, all good. All working well. And that's it. Right, take care. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe button over there. Notification bell as well at the same time would be great. Helps the video a lot. As videos come to you free of charge. Take care. See you in the next one.